and everything. So this is $15,000 from Diamond from Boston.
Diamond from Boston. Give thanks again, man. I want it for Anna, man.
Key in life. Right now, the people them a reach out all board. From what year them a beat my butt. Them a say Jesus peace. Yo, we want to see a Maroon. We're keen on them. We see keen on way up a river. Up so. I go out with BFT Maroon. Where you? Energy!
You see there, so this is $10,000 from Dana D. You know?
Dana D and thanks again. Yeah, thanks again, man.
That was the wrong road. I'm coming and the episode. I'd rather to tell me my long way to go. Keep the promise and me say you're there, so I know. The man working through, but you don't know it's sure. Mama body belly and you know it's that ball. Say him one son just stand down the man. You never take heed. You never did a listen.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Big up, big up, big up.
Boom. Energy.
Energy! Energy! One Maroon, one key. Yo, park up. Me say energy.
Talk to them.
Yo,
one
Maroon.
Yeah.
Park up and forward. Yo, a one Maroon man. Keen of life in Jamaica. Me people, my God. Me I tell you, I'm more action. I'm more in puck. Me people. Me say, yo, me can't tell you no. Yo, you see Beckford Street? Yeah, man. Big up all of me general them. We sell at Beckford Street. Yo, me not lie, man. I be a greatness. Energy! Yo, you know people. I want Maroon life in Jamaica, Kina life in Jamaica. You know how we deal with it. Kina, me say them people are downtown. Them want you from Beckford Street. Them a cry for you. Them a die for you.
On Beckford Street?
Yeah, man, the whole line in mid-good, that's how the youth them sell, man.
Yeah.
Be the man, them a say Maroon. Jesus, peace. Every day. Every night, we have to watch your Maroon. Punky in life. Right now, the people them a reach out all board. From what year them a beat my butt. Them a say Jesus peace. Yo, we want to see a Maroon. We're keen on them. We see keen on way up a river. Up so. I go out with BFT Maroon. Where you? Energy!
Yeah, man, run it in as a music out there, sir. Yeah.
Yo, a Silver Slipper Plaza with them.
Yeah.
Right, yes, sir. Where you get the greatest thing. Me have to give them an advertise. So
right,
they know me for sell on them place.
So you have to
big up Silver Slipper Plaza. Right, yes, sir. Yo.
So why are them up on the plaza now?
Yo, I want to put things on the plaza.
Yeah.
Only for things, you know. Life in Jamaica. You know, catch a girl.
Yeah.
Catch a girl, you know.
You catch her.
Look how she pretty.
See her there. Hello.
Like money.
Look. Yeah,
man, that's how the cold one store. Big up all of them people. That's how you get the best Me a good them advertise because me there on the front as well.
Yeah.
That's how you get the best cologne. You get everything, the best of everything.
Yeah.
Come in, show them where I go on.
Yeah.
Go on, me I tell you, Kino. Me say yes, you make you smell good.
Yeah.
All of them spray and then sit there. Yo, I want Maroon Man. Me say my people. I'm here right now.
Yeah.
Maroon is here right now. Don't need to worry. Don't need to fret. Sit back.
Relax.
Grab a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Grab a cup of coffee. And enjoy Maroon. Fully enjoy Maroon Man. Clean life. Mr. Energy. Energy. Yo, come on, I feel. Big up my people them.
Yeah.
Yo, big up the rest them now, my brother them now.
Yeah.
From a different mother. My brother from a different mother, big them up. Cause you know when we are the rest them a roll,
Yeah.
we not cool.
No. Can't cool.
Hear the new tune.
Yeah.
That one on name, when you watch choose the road, catch a little piece of it.
Yeah.
When you watch choose the road, choose the right road, not choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil's road.
Hey.
When you watch choose the road, choose the right road, not choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil and buck up in the devil's road. Hard road to travel, mighty long way to go. They eat the promise and when we say this, so I know. The man work is slow, but you don't know it's sure. One day I go and knock on the door. When you watch choose the road, choose the right road, not choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil's road. When you watch choose the road, choose the right road, that choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil's road. It's a hard road to travel, mighty long way to go. Keep the promise and them say you're there, so I know. The man working slow, but you don't know it's sure. Mama body belly and you know it's that ball. Say him one son just got down the man. You never take heed, you never did a listen. But now you want the shine, oh you want the glitter. Gunshot a lick boy, I know you're wrong. I'm out of me say, no! Energy! Energy! Yo, I want Maroon Man. I want Kino life in Jamaica. Me people, you know, see them here?
Yeah.
Yo, you see them here? Them are the summer bum, see the girl them.
The summer body that.
Yo, girl, them are grab up your body jar.
Yeah.
Them are hot, them are wicked, them are sick. Energy! Energy! Yo, people, this is Kino life in Jamaica. Get used to this. Come on, Tassa. People, now disturb the peace to that. Oh, I'm just filming. We just getting
He's promoting.
We just promoting Silver Slipper Plaza.
Yeah.
Right now, you know where I'm going?
Yeah.
All of them are girls, catch them.
Perfume.
They're not free of that camera. I want Maroon, a superstar on our roll it. Donkey no bite you. No ass no kick you. You no jump through no matey back door. Come on, just a Tina. Are you no Rasta?
What Maroon Man?
I can't see that. Pass up yourself.
Hey, the man is full of too much energy, yo. Yo, Maroon, we need that energy. Where we get that energy from?
Big up my general fruit stand.
Fruit stand.
Them money, me and them money run off the world globe. A family them money. Kino life in Jamaica.
One fruit stand. Cool. Yo, some energy we want from him right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, that's over there.
Yeah, coming like this at the headquarters, you know.
Yeah. In the
Yeah,
office.
this is Maroon office, people.
Yeah.
This is Maroon small walking ghetto store.
Yeah.
You know the ghetto store?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, yes, sir.
For sure.
People for sure. Kino. But what are the people that have been calling me? They've been stalking. Hey, me they upstairs selling up.
Yeah.
A puppy in enough.
Yeah.
I'm just see my boy come, the little girl father.
Okay, yeah.
The man recognize me, but me I say me never see the bridge in there.
Yeah.
But when me got look back now, me I see say
At the father.
at the father. But look I can watch it continue and
man.
see. Them see Maroon. They say they know Maroon. I want Maroon. Why my people they be calling, they be talking.
Yeah.
Yeah, run a tune because you hear me.
Run a tune.
Me not no long talking. Well, me give them this, me give them that, me give them back. When you are on the road,
Yeah.
bounce it slow. Watch out. When you are choosing road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil's sword. When you are choosing road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in the devil's sword. A hard road to travel, mighty long way to go. To get the promise and this so I know. The man working slow but you don't know it's sure. Say one day I'm going to knock on the door. Never did I listen, you never did I want. Never did I hear when your mother I want. To follow friend and gone down a man. Oh you love it gun, oh you love it copper, oh you must call, your head it no matter. No politics you don't get bandit chacha. When you watch on the road, choose the right road, not choose the wrong road. I'm a Mr. Pull up because this up. We not stuck up, we not jam up. I want Maroon Man. You know Maroon Man is the Englishman from way over England, London, England. You know, when you touch the motorway, when you touch the M1 going to Luton, that is where I travel to. Kino is an Englishman. Mister, I beer things. This is what the people them want. Them say, people, me there and Kino catch me today. Yes. And you know, wherever Kino catch me, I be a happiness, I be a niceness, I be a liveliness to the rest of them. Yes. Me be a spot there. And you know when beer there. Yo, I be a Allah. Then next door. Yeah, man. I want Maroon Man, man. Yeah, man. Every day then get up, but then got a obia man. Rat now, 8 foot rat now, fan. Want to live, man. Dinner then, man. Them the same thing, you right it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day then get up with a fussing and fight. With the gunshot and the spear and knife. And no believe in afterlife. It's a love Jah with all of your heart. Love Jah, Maroon Man attack. Love Jah with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and left for Satan. Love Jah with all of your heart. Love Jah, Maroon Man attack. Love Jah with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and left for Satan. Yo, pull up. This is keen on life in Jamaica. People, my energy. I see everything. Energy come from everything. Cause some boy feel like I just money. Energy come from. A life energy come from. Cause without life, you couldn't have the energy. So give thanks and praise unto the Most High God for life. We can't move without the kings of kings and the lords of lords. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Rastafari, love and be good. And when we say love, love the way you should. No envy, no iniquity, no bad mind, no negativity. When we attack a positivity, youth and youth, more and wiser. Youth and youth. Life is great. Youth and youth. Life is nice. Youth and youth. Cut the youth. Youth and youth. Stop ruining one another. This is the time for we come together as a black supreme. One black, you know, see where try we are going with down so. Then you see we are going to Africa. People, a unification, unite. Marcus Garvey laugh when he see black people are unite. A one black race, a one black heart, a one black skin color. Black I am, black I may be. Never again to change my identity. Then say maroon black and say me ugly, but me no business. Still, because sometimes them coaches say with this and with that, but we still again the loving. We never go to work because we know everybody watch Kino. So sometimes we have to hold back. We never bust no shot. Yo, run it. Energy. One on there. I'm give them 30 press up. 30 push up. 30 press up. Now some of them know the energy. Your energy, that one, this is the diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Yeah.
18, 19, 20.
Don't stretch.
No.
Energy! Energy!
Yeah.
Nobody got no energy.
No energy at
That
all.
greedy, I'm only they want.
Yeah,
A life we want.
of course.
Me say energy! Energy! Yo, I want
One Maroon.
Me say, I know one and no two.
Yeah,
Anywhere than that,
yeah,
the one here Maroon,
of course.
the superstar,
Of course.
the one done Maroon.
Yeah.
I want to do them we are no goon.
Oh,
Big up the rest.
sure.
Big up the love of them. Cause you don't know.
Yeah. Yo, give them a contact number just in case if anybody want to reach out.
You see anybody want to reach out to me?
Yeah.
My number 498
Yeah.
92 33. 498 92 33. I want Maroon. Anything I want to do for Maroon, I'm here.
Yeah.
Me accept anything.
Yeah.
I want Maroon, man.
One Maroon.
Yeah, nothing no change. We no hard it. We no pressure people.
No.
We self-employed.
Yeah.
We full dependent.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we still give thanks for your little same way.
Yes, I.
Because we're not too big, we're not boss yet. We're not rich yet. As we say, we're rich, you know.
Yeah, in life.
In life.
In life.
We're not material rich.
Yeah.
Energy! Energy! Yo, I want to give them 10 more.
Yeah.
10 more.
Yeah.
Energy! I'm Maroon. So I don't know exercise.
So why the man have so much energy, Rasta Jackson?
You have to exercise. This a life. This a life.
Yeah.
Exercise a life.
Yeah.
This a life.
Yeah.
This a life.
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 Life. Life. 10 more.
10 more. Alright, 10 more, I'm saying.
It's a wild one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maroon Man, energy.
Energy, man.
You have to go buy yourself a drink.
Yeah.
Because you say exercise, you have to go buy yourself a drink.
Yeah. Boss by himself a drink.
No boss. Why for boss?
Why not?
Family.
I want Maroon, man. I love it. I love it.
Catch your breath now. Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
Catch a breath.
Yeah. Who's
Yeah, why you know?
Who's
When you catch breath, can't understand up and catch breath.
Run and
You have to run and
catch
catch breath. I saw the thing go. Get off the belly of Maroon.
Yeah.
Get off the belly of Maroon. Yeah.
6
I
pack.
want Maroon. Girl, them want 6-pack. And some no, no.
Yeah.
Rest don't have it already. Rest don't have the exercise.
Yeah.
We take off belly. When you see Maroon,
Yeah.
we drink enough water
Yeah.
and eat enough food.
Of course.
Yeah. But we come out a big breed.
Yeah. Maroon breed. Maroon breed. Maroon breed. Where
Get
tomorrow?
some bread. Tomorrow?
Working there.
No, man, I want you. Kino. For you say Maroon me available.
Yeah.
God, that's right there. Show me tomorrow, no, man.
Alright, I'm gonna show you tomorrow.
So
So
we will-
we might go for the
Oh,
Marble
never
River.
want to, man.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, people, you get a whole content tomorrow.
Yeah.
One whole day. You get a Maroon tomorrow. Yeah, man, all of the tune. Me I only for new tune. Don't worry about
Alright.
tune.
So
We have
it's-
new tune, old tune, vintage tune.
Yeah.
All type of tune, my people. My people, I want it. People I love.
I love it.
Share more love in other country, other island. People, youth and youth. I want to me talk to. More love, man.
Love and love alone, man.
We are still, people who go foreign, no Jamaican will never travel. Travel, no, man. I see how Jamaica nice. I see how Jamaica loving. When me there in England, them a pay me for cuss. Bad word. When me talk, me get paid for it.
Yeah.
when we go in any business place, and they say, what? Jamaican, what Jamaican want?
Yeah.
People, this and understand, this a Jamaica word. Don't take it and twist it when we say bumbo cat. We don't cuss no bad word. Our culture, our maroon culture, them they are that grow away.
Hello, yeah.
So no bad word.
Yeah.
That's why they love we so. Women people love we.
Sure.
That's why people love we. Anywhere you go, someone. Nobody has it like that. Who is maroon?
We are next day.
People, they say I'm a balling today. Fully on me, want to say. Fully on my energy. Big up all of my people. Subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica, people. I'm a G, I'm a brother. Love we are dealing. Subscribe, big up the thing. Dial up the channel.
Of course.
For real people. Yo, you see Bedford Street downtown, our place, our headquarters. Kino, you have one little youth down there, so you know.
Yeah.
The man rate him. I told me no remember a dog name, but when you go from Bedford Street and there to the side, where beer jeans at the four-way there, so.
Okay.
The man clean up, the man talk about you every day. The man say you have your number, you have everything in so. I so come and rate me.
Yeah.
Kino. You don't know all of them ratings that when I get down people, I show you higher. I show your channel. Me never know, say, the people then give me that greatness. Me I tell you, Rasta, I can't walk through people. The people them love me, they receive me. God bless you know. God bless Kino. God bless the Ras. God bless the Ras. Oneness, one love, one Kino life.
One dream team. One dream team. Oh, God.
One dream team.
Yeah,
man. I worry on yourself. Tomorrow's Kino, sir.
Alright. So make a short you look more. I'm making more than 100.
Rasta. I love you, sir. Love you, sir. Them can't go on that money.
Alright.
Forgive me, boy. The general, so.
One Maroon Man, yo. Boy, we can't match the energy there at all. Can't match the energy there at all. Yo, it don't make sense me talk right now. Because I don't know where the energy they come. Hello. Boom.
And I don't know.
Jackson.
Guess what?
What's up?
I was one of the biggest fan. I even respond, but you don't reach it.
Husband, oh, you not reach it.
That may say, where you there?
Where you there? Big up yourself, see you, mate. So we meet you and meet your other half. You
Make
everything
sure you're
there?
ready.
Yeah?
Right? And guess what? He said, I'm the one. Subscribe. Use my phone to subscribe to you. And I met you before him.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you, Jerry.
Yeah, man.
We meet your other half
Where are you going?
up by Mama River. To see
you're
Cranberry.
driving?
Yeah, to see Cranberry there. Speak up yourself, Jerry. You know anything go.
I took Cranberry.
Alright then. Thank you.
Alright, Kino, no problem.
Yeah. Alright guys. I'm saying boy, I can't match the Maroon Man, my energy. It's too much. You know? The man say energy. Boy, the man full of energy, boy. I don't know how to match it. Well, you see the man start do all press up. I cannot keep up. I swear. Maroon Man, big up yourself, you know the thing goes, guys. Boy, Maroon Man, look like I don't want to talk right now. Jackson, where I go? Boy, come like the energy of the Maroon Man push up, me can go to the wrong seat, Jackson. Woman, I ready to run this, Jackson.
I mean, I get fast.
No, I run in the back of my far when I go.
See my draft out the door, that's why I walk in.
Yeah. John was the Maroon Man take on the whole of my energy right now. He come like some weak. Yeah, the man full of energy. The man is differently real energy. That's a love, guys. Big up yourself, Maroon Man. So I know the thing goes. We're out. Energy! Yo, Maroon Man. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Yeah. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. But imagine I haven't done no intro on this video yet because you know Maroon Man stole all my energy. You know, the Maroon Man stole all my energy. Imagine that. So welcome, guys. Well to Kina Life in Jamaica. Blessed love to you anywhere you are. Remember, please, to put the thumbs up if you're watching, you know, anywhere you're watching from. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe also. Yes, guys, you know, imagine today, we totally forgot as well because Nana called me as well. Nana is reminding me, today is our birthday. So imagine that, today is Nana's birthday as well too. You know, so I'm going to give her money so she can buy herself something, and also Esther said I should give her something as well too, from behalf of Esther as well too, you know, because you know Esther is not back yet. So it's Nana's birthday, so let's wish Nana happy birthday, you know, which is, you know, Nana, up my new camera lady, you know, at times. But trust me, I totally forgot because she never remind me of her birthday like how Cranberry. She keep on talking about her birthday. Cranberry never make one day pass without she talk about her birthday coming up. So so we never know, she would have just reminded me it's her birthday today. So we're here now in Miami River. So we're gonna head up there.
I said, well, Papa, what's here?
Evening, little man. Much boy. Eh? Right, I'm talking now, speak.
We don't know why around here. Yeah, we know why around here. We not a why about around here. Nah, they're not man. So it's a good man. Oh, them good. We are dog and run.
When I run for?
No, say. I'm not running down, you know.
Wagwan. Hey, now jump up from a white nose. Well, white nose I get big, you know. It's like a giant.
What? Come here, so come start, no?
It's like a giant. Yeah. Yeah, man, it look like a giant, man. It's like a giant. Charge. Thing up.
Yeah, I want to see
Thing started? You go get it?
No, you know, so tomorrow I say I go feed. Or tomorrow I finish my tile out, finish the veranda, I finish. I bought two men that finish and I got piece tile I bought two. So I done the veranda and done them pieces. I want to finish up things as I'm there.
Okay. Come in now. Are you back this?
Yeah, 2 mango. I'm still going to finish the mango.
Oh. Wow, white nose getting big.
I want to get big man.
Yeah.
What's your case?
White nose is getting big. White nose. White nose becoming a monster. A monster dog. Evening. Tara, put on your top. Put on your top. Yeah, swim.
No. Never done a river.
Never done a river.
Look at that. Dry yesterday. What's that?
Tile out.
I see me go and I put the one in that white tile at night, you know.
In our room.
Eh?
You white tile and put in our room.
So what, the next one is done?
Huh?
Is it done? Yeah.
Yeah.
You just make it one white.
Yeah.
Brown.
Hello, Nana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nana.
I would tell like you know, look at No.
Nana called me and tell me it's her birthday.
No, Pani, something that you never answer. No.
Hmm?
You didn't call.
Yeah, she called me today.
And you don't talk to me, you see you?
No. Well, she called me. You never called me. And she called me. So, go. So, Nana called me. So, guys, it's Nana's birthday today. Here's Nana over there. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday. Don't worry, I have a gift for you, right?
So, my gift to you.
It's not your birthday.
But my birthday come up, we are getting that.
Nothing.
Oh, so you will get to me, daddy.
No more birthday. Tara, when is your birthday, Tara? Come here, let me see your head. When is your birthday? When is Tara's birthday, guys? When is Tara's birthday? Rasta Tara. Rasta. We are pre before. We don't want to pre me, you know. We don't want to pre me. So the ear is pulled out. So I will do that now, right? Yeah. So we just finished tile off here, so. Bring in the mango to my dad, girl. Yeah. Hey, I think I'm so I go on. Thank you. Oh, you know, say the finish off this now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you put light in here?
Yeah.
Run that one.
Finish seal it off and put it. Alright, so we're going to line up and I put the table there and put that table here so with the sink over here so that means the stove can go over here so.
Okay.
Up on the corner here.
Oh, you put the stove over here so?
Up on the corner so I go put the table up on the side.
Oh, you put a piece of board here so?
Yeah.
Okay. So this where you put the sink?
Over here so see how we might have a bite table. I make a counter table right there so they can wash plate and so the sink will go there right here.
Okay, okay.
So you know sink will go there on the table see how we go up on the
I'm going to inquire, come and speak to my uncle because somebody said Winston, well, I'm going to check out the pump and the tank and the pipe. You see me? Well, I guess I'm going to try and see if we can get that sorted out for you as well too.
Okay.
So you can pump the water from the river come up. You know, so we have to go check out the pricing and check out how much pipe you're going to need and the size tank. Yeah, so uncle, so when you get that time, I'll come up here, come do the measurement so we can go check out and see how much they're going to charge for that. Because I'm definitely going to need running water because you got bathroom and kitchen, but you're not going to have running water. You know, so sure, yeah, but yeah, man, so you know, so at least that now. You know, let's see, I'm going to finish.
Yeah, just to finish the scene.
Mommy call you.
So we're supposed to come up again tomorrow.
Mommy call you.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're supposed to come back up here again.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, so I'm going to find out from the guy with the granite. Yeah. Tomorrow. Wednesday, they say, and the half. So as you can see, guys, we finish right here, so now, you know. Better to go buy one more tile, man.
A single, no, today not sell a single tile.
They don't sell a single tile. Oh, that, yeah. You just use the one and done.
Yeah.
It look like a style still. It look like a style.
Yeah, one single one there.
Yeah. Look like a style. Yeah, right.
Go put one more round because one tile looking around this so
Let me see the bathroom man then. One, yeah. Kenisha, good day.
Even. But that's an even you don't listen more.
Each up in your eye.
You know what I cook me a cook? You wipe out your lesson for charging.
Oh.
Call them now. Try finish and finish one.
Okay. But you know my uncle that say, he's going to make you abandon over there so. Because the shower pipe, we put over here.
Over here say shower pipe go, I cut up back in here so. Yes, say shower pipe go.
Okay.
I just bring that pipe through the wall there so I run it back there so. Because remember I put the tea there so for one to come run to here so and then it goes so.
Okay.
Over there say shower pipe go, I cut it off.
Oh, you got to run it on the ground or in the wall?
No, I run it on the wall so go walk back here so. Come back right, because I cut it come so and then I cut it back off.
So it's almost finished. A rough tile for you, so?
Yeah, the rough one I have to use like I use that so. Yeah. So I not put no more rough tile, so I not put none in that so I go granite tile in the car. Through the water I can't put the smooth tile on the ground.
No, man.
I use the rough one like I use for yes so.
Yeah, once the water.
Yeah.
And your body go sleep.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Okay. Yes, we put the rough tile on the top there. So.
Yeah. It's a good look. Yeah, that take your time, you know, you can finish up. Slowly but surely it's getting there, you know.
Finish up like that. Edges there, one of them places, I'm not tile them place and it was a granite off.
Yeah.
It was a granite off. Neat up about them place. So the granite to make out this.
Yeah, we like the look. So yeah, come give you the strength, see me, you know, to help finalize everything. Yeah. Sure. Yeah man, so cause basically tank flap for go up there so like where Uncle that say. So up on the top. Up there so. You have to go up on a higher level. So you have to get out. Right up there so.
Right up there, I'm going to make them put right up there. I mean, when somebody comes to come live, remember up the side of people.
Oh yes. Oh that too.
I just have that free for put it back to put it like this.
Oh that too. Cause it have to on a
Right, yeah.
if you run.
No man, can't go and line up something else and put it up there somewhere.
You have to go figure out something.
Yeah.
Sure, you have to go figure out something.
You can't put up the tongue. Line up here, so put up on column.
Yeah.
I have to set up something solid.
Yeah, I have to go set up something solid. Because like you say, somebody space out there so.
Yes, I'll be there back door when I'll be a back door right there.
Just I noticed that a while ago too, you know. So basically, unless we have to build up something right there so. You know?
I'm going to be right there so.
That's so?
Yeah, right there.
At the edge?
Yeah. Right there, some of them.
Yeah, because the water that's... Unless I want column, I have to go put up one column. Two column. Just I noticed there are some other in the so. Yeah, that's for go on for true.
Oh, that's a couple.
I'm going to say start run the pipe now.
Yeah, and I'm going to buy all the elbow then, because the elbow really stop. And this make me stop it too, you know. And it reach down there, so it go on that stone there, So my sister, I never have no more elbow for put it back on ground.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I buy the trail about them on, so.
Oh, if you go down?
Yeah, it's a more to go ground and then I send it. That's why I'm going to send it by the elbow there. You see, the rise up there, so I never want to go no, but I don't want to go for the elbow, you know, carry back
go down. And drop right down behind. And you do all the pipe already, dog?
I suppose one more pipe or one pipe there and one more pipe. And then I'll try the next pipe there.
Oh, you have one. I wonder I go from this to...
Yeah, about the Guinea tree there so that I can drop.
Right, the cook there so that I can probably start.
About 1.5 pipes.
Yeah, so they're going to need a bit more, 1.5 or so. They're going to need 1.5 more. At least to try to reach down there. So you can see guys, the pipe is running, so just 1.5 more you're going to need, you know, if you reach right down there, so you know, say yes, and everything connect and seal. You know, so we have to try to figure out, I'm saying we have to try to figure out something for the tank and everything, so.
Put 2 columns there, so.
Yeah. Alright then. Come I have to do donation for you.
Step on the foot.
Yeah. Nobody realize.
Go over and step on the foot.
It'll go on good.
Yeah. What to the thing that done here?
Done. Tonight I go see him still.
No, but
tonight.
It work, you know.
It work, though.
It's a shame.
That's good. You hear that guys, him say the thing at work, you know, on him foot. He must step good now and it not swell up again though.
No, it not really a swell like how it is, so because it's too lock up, you know.
Yeah. Come. Mr. Tucker, What's your ear? Pierre ready me as you know.
You know, say yesterday one lady that would stop and ask me if I saw them here stay. I'm tell her, so yeah. But normally I die.
No, don't die. It stays here.
You know, some die but them here. But normally I have to die here and die for them here.
This is the natural color. Red.
But Tara here more redder.
Tara, yeah.
Yeah.
Very much.
The red one. I say it's still natural. You want your dye back? Say no. You want your dye back? Cranberry? Say no. Say no. No. You want your dye back? No. Tara, you want your dye back? No. Say no. No. Go for the cranberry. Cranberry, go away. Cranberry dye if you have one. So Nana, it is your birthday. What's wrong with you now? Why you look so sad on your birthday?
Man, I've been from morning. I try to buy the cake from me and I go buy some later. She been from morning.
Yeah.
She just started mama say she want buy one and cake them from Black to eat.
You want cake? But you are alright then, don't worry. I'll give you your money.
I buy it.
I buy cake. Right? Get birthday money. So I have birthday money from Esther and from me. Okay? Alright, stand up. Stand up. Okay, you know?
Smile now.
Smile now, no? You can smile now.
Smile now.
You can smile now. Smile now, man. Smile now. But you know, so we never remember. Why you never remind me?
So my birthday was Sunday.
You couldn't remember?
Sunday, my mother went, oh, you remember that?
Nobody not tell me.
Me a call you, you never answer me.
Yeah, you should leave a message.
Me not go text you, you need to answer your phone, daddy.
No, you should leave me a message, miss.
And him don't know.
So I don't know and Nana never remind
Alright,
me.
an accident.
It's only today Nana tell me say it's her birthday.
My mother tell her, I say, call you and tell her. All her auntie she called too.
Her auntie called her this morning. Tell her, I'm a mommy.
So, I what you say, what kind of cake you sell, Blackie? The big cake them?
No, that's
No,
it name's Spice.
The two cake them. By the way,
Second,
Only if, even if you should tell me yesterday,
you buy the
you
cake.
could have buy a cake for
And
her
bring it up.
and bring it home.
Next
You know?
time,
You know, say, when we come birthday, you know, say, my mother and my brother end up buy a cake for me. Yeah, so they end up finish it, and just say, normally if I get a cake, whenever they do want it, stay at the yard. So
and
me
the
not
dog
give
eat
it.
the little piece of
And the
cake.
last cake we left, white nose come eat it.
Right,
Can you notice here with Cranberry, when I was for her birthday coming, every day she talk about her birthday. Every time she keep reminding me her birthday. But Nana never remind me. So every day Cranberry depend, oh daddy, my birthday at this day, my birthday at this day. Every day she remind me about her birthday, but Nana never remind me. It's only two that Nana tell me, you know.
Daddy, when my birthday come, I want pink cake.
You not
Change
get
the cake every
you not
week.
get no more cake.
And that they say.
And that me I say this
If me
time.
beg you, you're going willing to give a big daddy. Can't tell she that.
Oh,
Or you want buy Nana cake.
maybe you want to buy that because I buy a cake so we can buy Nana cake. Right, Nana?
I'll boom and get things here. Yeah, thanks uncle.
Of course. So Nana, this is for your birthday, okay? So this is $5,000 here for you from Esther for your birthday.
Thank you,
Salud.
Thank you, Esther. Because with $5,000. And may God bless you and
Alright, so this is $5,000 there from Esther.
We miss you. The video Cranberry, she can't stop talking about you. But she know wood.
Yeah. When she,
Esther, thank you so much and may God bless you.
alright. So that's 5,000 from Esther, and this is 5,000 from me also for your birthday. So
I'm never get no
Always
smile.
smile. Then always smile.
Thanks, Kino.
Thanks, Kina. May God bless you.
She gets shy on her birthday. Or what?
Do have a wonderful day.
Here's a shy today. Here's $5,000 more from you. for you from me for your birthday. So that's $10,000 there.
Kino, thank you also. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
Yeah. So now you get $10,000. You can buy cake. You know, but as me I say, if you tell me from yesterday, I could have buy a big cake for you. And bring it come. But you never tell me. You never remind me like how Cranberry remind me every second, every day.
And you
every
buy mine.
Yeah.
So
that now you can buy one heap of big cake with that now.
Nikina, what about the pin them?
Who?
The pin them from here.
Come to them. Who they?
Yeah, tell them I.
Oh, you tell them I know?
You don't know their name.
Just tell the girls them I.
Yeah.
I'm friends. So you must have their number.
Mika, Kelsey, they must see you, so you tell them I.
Oh, are you fine?
How are you fine? Cranberry shy.
Kina, who want to bring them back?
Yeah. See, even if you tell me from yesterday, I could have bring them come today. You know, like on your birthday, you could have bring them come. But
I make them have a swimming pool.
yeah, you never tell me nothing, Nana, man. Sure.
Yeah, come tomorrow, daddy, bring them tomorrow.
So guys, you see, Nana never tell me nothing at all. You know, Nana never tell me nothing. If she tell me, could have bring the girls them come.
And buy the cake.
Buy the cake.
And bring
And them have a nice swimming time, you know, so
Nana no tell you
it's
that.
Nana to blame. It's Nana to blame. You know, but at least then next time we bring them belated, okay? But don't worry, you're gonna have a
Chef, happy belated birthday.
yeah, and war chef as well.
So, chef,
That works.
ah,
But don't worry, you're gonna have your belated celebration soon coming up, right? So alright then, so don't worry, you're still gonna celebrate because remember you guys going on a trip anyway, so you can go celebrate your birthday, right? Yeah.
Wanga Beach.
Yes, man. Alright, so Chargy. So me have I'm in Chargy. So me have
wait, now washing now.
I eat a mango. Eat a mango.
Daddy,
What?
things they never come.
Mm-hmm.
I don't watch here, you let me a ball here.
Yeah, ball for me.
And I start with Kino then.
She a ball, Nana.
As now, I need to wake up this morning.
You need to wake up?
As now,
She don't wake up.
As she beat me. No, I don't wake up.
Hey.
Nana beat me on my back. And kill me, I can't feel it something.
Give me a birthday.
So we'll come back to you, Miss Cranberry. So Chargy, so this is for you to get your ear sorted out, you know, and your barber shave up and everything for the flex where I go upon. Right, so this is from Dana D. Hold on there, so let me talk. Kenisha, come here. Come here. Tara, come here as well, Tara.
She want to change the pants. She don't like the pants that she now.
Oh, so change our pants then. Alright guys, so I'm saying for this trip that we're gonna go on with the family, you know, I wanna thank Dana D. You know, I wanna thank her so much, you know, for blessing this family, you know, for this wonderful experience, you know. So as I said, it's a great experience. I want to thank Dana D so much, you know, for reaching out, you know, for considering the family, you know, for giving them this special treat, you know. We thank you so much, Dana, you know. So thank Dana D for this special treat.
Thank you, Dana D, for this special treat.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and God is blessing you.
Come, Nana, come thank Dana D. Come for this special
Watch
treat.
Daddy put Nana.
Come right here.
Come here.
Kenisha, come here. Yes, so I'm gonna say we cannot. So come, let's thank Dana D for this special treat that the family is gonna get.
Dana D, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty. And may God always bless you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Chargy, so we can thank Dana D.
I give thanks, man, for this wonderful thing what you're doing, you know? I love it, man. Very good, man. Thanks very much.
Yes, so we thank Dana D from New Jersey. You know, thank you so much for this wonderful treat. Trust me, you know, it's a great experience, you know, for the family. And I thank you so much. And also Dana D said, alright then, you know what, like how Daddy have to go for a treat and everything. So she's sending a donation for the dad to get him hairstyle once, you know, and bad hairstyle, no bad cane, you know. You know.
Keisha, that is a little boy is the dancer come to watch it.
Yeah.
She can do hair well in it.
Yeah, so she can do it?
Yeah, she a hairstylist.
Alright.
You see when the girls in here they come last time, she come in.
So she a come for them here as well?
She could have come it smaller.
See money job.
Yeah, alright then, so charge you see there, so this is $10,000 from Dana D, you know?
Dana D and thanks again. Yeah, thanks again, man. Only for Anna, man.
Yeah. So guys, I guess you're gonna see charge in a different hairstyle, you know, for this special day, you know, a different key and row, groove up, well up. The kids them are gonna get for them hairstyle done as well too, you know, so it's a blessing, so we give thanks to Dana D. So guys, please just help us to thank Dana D for this wonderful treat for the family. You know, guys, just thank you, Dana D from New Jersey. As I said, the love goes out, you know, thank you so much for considering. You know, it's going to be something that's going to live on for a long time in their memory for this wonderful treat that they're going to get, trust me. Yes. So alright then, so we have $9,000 here. Oh, well, let me say this one first. Let me get the name right. So the person said the name Choco. Let me get the name. It's called Choco. And a Choco, you know, what I want to like a Coco or Choco. Let me see the name. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, it says Choco Queen. Yeah, Choco Queen. So we have $9,000 here from Choco Queen from Canada. Choco Queen.
Choco Queen from Canada, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never hurt anything.
So here's $9,000 for the family. Cranberry, all it and count then.
And tell Choco Queen.
To thank Choco Queen.
Thank you, Choco Queen. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 from Choco Queen. I would thank you so much. And I get another donation, and this one now is from Diamond from Boston, and she said this one is to go towards the family and a special treat, you know, and a special surprise. So she don't know what the surprise is, but she just give a donation towards the surprise, you know. So as I say, the surprise now can help CMA to get the kids them ear done and everything, you know, getting the ear started, because the hairstyle I've got nice and everything. So this is $15,000 from Diamond from Boston.
Diamond from Boston. Give thanks again, man. I only for honor, man. Only for honor, only for respect, and more God continue to bless you, you know?
Yes.
Only for honor, man.
Yeah, so don't forget, you know, to us in a special treat. So we give thanks. Thank you so much, Diamond. You know, thank you so much. So I'm gonna say, you're gonna see the family in a different look with her on a different day, you know. Different occasion, you know. So thank you so much again, Dana D, for blessing the family for this wonderful treat. It's nothing but love and love alone. You know, so anyway, thing goes already, guys. So stay tuned for that one day. It's gonna be the big day. You know. Right, Cranberry? You ready?
You ready, Tara?
You ready, Tara? Talk, Nana, you ready?
Ready?
So we're gonna leave Tara. Tara, you come in?
I am. That they am bad.
Wow. She that bad, say she weak and she not see nobody. But Tara, for them. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, guys. We give thanks. Let me say, it's a wonderful moment. Right, Cranberry? Be a smile, she a smile, right, Nana? So it's more gift for you, yeah? So it's like a birthday present as well. So you have bigger birthday than Cranberry, yeah? Your birthday bigger than Cranberry. Bigger than Cranberry, though. Smile. What's your face? Guys, so we thank you so much for the blessings, you know. You never have more mango?
Yes.
Where? I have father mango and I make juice.
No.
You pick any for me?
I forward one.
Where? Why you not pick none for me? Exactly.
They don't say, your friend come Sunday.
Oh.
My friend from Common. Come over here Sunday.
Oh, blacks?
Yeah, him be passed through.
Yeah.
But me don't have a sweet. I'm gonna see more pass and I say, I'm gonna call him and end up show me.
Oh. Blacks. But Cranberry, why you not pick no mango for me? You pick none for me.
If me pick none, you have to pay me.
Nana say,
Yeah.
Really?
Come drop
Tara, come beat her for me, Tara. Tara, come fix her for me, Tara. Tara, fix her for me, Tara. Fix her. Put her down. Yeah. Tara, fix her for me. She bright. Fix her. Yeah, she not manners. See, use the shoes, man. See there, take the shoes and fix her for me. Use the shoes and fix her. See there. Use the shoes and fix her. Hey, use the shoes and fix her. Yeah, man. Right.
I'm going to pay
Right. Go up here. White House, come here. Alright, leave her now, Tara. Beg for her. Beg for her. Right.
Don't let me.
Right. Yeah, no, Tara will fix her.
Don't let me
So tell me something, the cornflakes finish?
Yeah. Them finish it.
Already?
I went 2 days. 2 days.
2 days?
2 days.
One other day.
No.
One done the first day, they bring one.
And then save it for the next day, and then as the next day come, them eat it. When we go away,
No, that's
I'm gonna buy
it.
some.
Mommy.
When we come back, I'm gonna buy some. I couldn't even believe so they
Sit down.
finish it.
And again, I'm a father guard down the road, mix that, Share the every single one a week.
You done it so quick?
Yes, daddy.
No, sir. 2
All
bucks?
the work's done. I will make porridge.
Jaisha!
No, sir.
Jaisha!
I mean, very expensive
Come here.
family.
Mama, mama, back.
Yeah, very expensive. Guys, I hear that in 2 days, them done 2 bucks a
They
corn
know the police to get to them at the river.
and the oats.
They know.
Yeah?
I told them at the river.
I will get Jaisha some my coffee.
And when they end up, out of one of the box, they will end up the Jaisha song. And half of the last one.
I will get look man none. I am a baby.
I'm send it up there, I'm tell them for share.
No.
You ever bring your message?
I was not there when I tell them not give none.
Okay, friend.
Come on, babe.
You don't want one barrel of cornflakes, you know what, man. One
So you
barrel of
can't
cornflakes.
give it to daddy?
1 barrel of cornflakes and more. Because them take 2 days and finish off that.
What? Who am I complex? Complex.
1 barrel them more, because trust me, they don't play with food. I want to get water, you know. Water, when they are swimming,
up,
that wash up.
Water empty, man. I feel really full, man. So I go in the water.
Once them eat and go in the water, then tank empty.
What's your popcorn in between now?
Them tank empty.
Jaisha!
Just stop kiss the cat. Hey there, kiss the cat.
I say some girls see my river
And take a picture of him.
The amount of picture them take with him and he normally hold him on him finger. So as them a hold him on him.
You could be able to kiss the cat.
They never want to go with him. And two women know him. That's why them not go with him. I move like pitney.
I see him follow them the other day.
I go over the yard,
You know, say go over one yard. I'm going to Cranberry them say, I know him stay. I look
Walk.
back and
Walk.
one cliff him and him will come. I mean, there's some big dog over there now. I don't know all the dog not hear him. I say, yo, when you come, we not call him because we don't him not come.
Give one for share there. Talk, you can't eat too.
So come, give them one for share.
Evening. Toko! Toko can hide one away with that. No, but just sorry, never remind me about your birthday. I'm going to bring a cake for you. At least. You know?
Should have kept a man. Just tell her, say, remember Monday, go enjoy yourself Monday.
Yeah, enjoy yourself Monday.
I know
Anyway.
she not there cry. Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah? So Monday, you have to enjoy yourself.
Then I said to Dogo, say, today is my birthday, yeah, man. You see, if you get back here, you could joy. That's why I know.
She have money in her pocket. Wait there. Liquor miss. How is everything?
Fine.
Fine.
No,
Yeah.
oh, yeah.
Oh, so she here there. Talk a beg of something now.
Oh, you never.
Talk a beg of something now. Oh, talk and give me a shit. Now cranberry none. Why? You can share cranberry, man, yeah? Let's get 2. Yeah? Let's get 2.
Give one more now. You still want this thing.
At 2 you get.
At 20.
At 3.
See it there.
Alright, get one more. Oh, I lie, she tell you. Okay. We don't want you to see it then.
What bear one? At 20.
I want to get. I want. Oh, talk. I want to get talker. Easy her up, talker. Yeah. Alright, talk on. Yeah.
And at 20, cheap chicken. I feed in a kilo. Yeah, auntie.
Yes, murder. How much gift she get?
The one of the same one.
Yeah,
No gift?
Black one. Oh, yeah, the other one.
I should forget something for auntie.
Oh, Bina. Oh, just
And then my granny.
Grab some from a car to them, but then birthday I think we get some from them.
oh.
And you know, give them no, you know, say today our twin cousin them birthday.
Rachel and Bonson.
Rachel and King James. And King James, I watch this. I know you're supposed to watch this. And Rachel, on happy birthday. And I wish you know many more years.
Your name King James?
King James and Rachel. They were triplet. You said them a triplet. But one of the baby them
Pass away. Oh. Wow.
But in band name go say name King.
Where him live? Down there, son?
Yeah, down the road. Him right down and been at them.
Okay.
I don't him live right at the
Him right in the this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought him get King James.
There's about one food.
What a name.
And chicken for Nana. Because I'm go look both here.
You get rice and peas for your birthday? And chicken?
Oh, chicken off the eye.
It's all finished. The meat is finished.
Okay, so you get big food, man, Nana. And then you have ice cream and you have cake. So you're alright, and then now you're going to celebrate again soon.
But take it in, was a Jay Shaya ball. Wait. Today, so we are going here. Jay Shaya, move aside tonight, and I go, you want to come and say, me can't be
You that ball like you miss?
yes, stop, yeah, ball. Look like Kina, she a ball. Oh, go down and ball. Nana, you see me that ball? I said, boy, you think
that ball,
I'm
Nana? Oh, Cranberry extra.
You think I'm Monday.
Cranberry extra, though.
Yes, you think I'm Monday. Don't touch me. Tie this up. Don't touch me. Me and you are no friend again.
This Monday.
I like it.
Come and tell you.
Alright, guys, so you know what thing about all this. Bless the love, you know. I'm gonna run right now. How old are you today now, Nana?
9.
9?
Nana, shoot on
She 9 today?
Yeah.
I went,
You know, so the one of them born 3 years apart.
Kina, tell me when I'm going to be next week.
So September will be Toka birthday and then December Nana. Tyra. 3 years. Yeah.
How when I came back birthday? When I Cranberry birthday again? The 19th.
The 19th.
I want to talk about it. I remember coming and I'm born this year.
Lie.
I'm born September.
More, but me you born me. More, but stop telling lie.
I'm born September. Yeah.
So my father was born me.
Who born me?
Me, man. Where you born me? You can't cheat.
We don't know
Yeah,
man.
which month? Come here. I'm a
Say in your ears.
Yeah.
Come down.
Tell her in her ears.
Come down.
July.
Are you? No. And in July. You don't know where I'm born. Go ahead.
Tell me that, please. Please.
Hey, I'm born the same month you're born.
Me, eh?
The same day when you're born. Me have birthday the same day.
Tell me now, you.
Me no. And me I'm born. How about it? I'm going to make you born.
Somebody supposed to say birthday, me
September.
the rest of them from over Africa, what's your name again?
Oh, D?
Yeah, they say birthday when you be overseas. And say you're supposed to play with the child.
You should can't give me this.
That July you're born.
Cranberry.
Yeah, should have July she born.
We're not buying no July.
July should have born. Alright, man, I'll go and leave it now, so.
Me I follow
See you
you.
tomorrow.
We are coming on her road, you know.
Alright. I'm good now, guys.
Oh, you're going to have a tray wall. Tray wall.
So I'm not going there. One time I walk, my seat.
It's pretty. I do a jump off and I pool and it builds up.
Jump off from there, so?
Yeah, you must fix it that you can
Jump off. That is so fun.
Charge, you go and finish up some work? Okay. Should have cement already?
Yeah, man. Cement.
Okay. And you get the sieve already?
Yeah, man. I get the sieve.
Because with the system, what that's already here?
I mean, you get it out, you know.
Yeah.
Are you seeing one?
Yeah, man, kind of better.
You take some of the chocolate.
Yeah.
My job. They should them run down.
Charge so tomorrow then?
Alright, then.
Yeah.
Come, daddy.
This one cover, put the back lid over that. Put it over it.
I want to come back, that come on.
Normally they put a shoes or a back.
Yeah.
Mommy. You know when you come over there, yeah, breathe.
Yeah.
I never know where they have in store. I never know if they go meet them.
You try to go to the swim?
Tina, I'm going to go to deep or deep.
You go to the deep?
Yeah.
Good.
Come down here, come look for one.
She said, Kina, it's all Kina, no.
Today, another birthday, sir. She never tell me. Today she tell me.
No,
It's only today.
Kina tell her, so why she never tell me yesterday I make him buy the cake and bring it.
And when it was Cranberry birthday coming, every day she talk about for her birthday.
So me remember Kina about my birthday.
But don't worry, man. She gonna celebrate.
Yeah, make sure I get everything and you will get everything and she
Alright, me I bet you $1,000. Me I bet you $1,000 Monday. Well, let's just say that boom. I bet you $100 yeah, to go that far.
I could wash your face in the water. Woo. Yeah, no, you have to do that. There's a way till you on the water right on the feet. What is the Cranberry? The bed spot. From I-5. From Cranberry. Tara, come Tara, I-5. I-5. Happy birthday. My drop miss.
Oh, for what I talk about my job, you know. I go down with my girl.
See you later.
No. No, please.
No.
Please.
Oh,
Please, Daddy.
Yeah, clean.
it's not clean. We are blow mark it up. Bye bye, Ari.
Hi.
Bye.
Clean. But you look a bit dusty.
It's dusty. It's dusty.
Something there.
Something there.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Come up.
Yeah. Boom same like the known eh.
You want the pepper something there? Bad man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.